Hi everyone! Today we're making a signature dish of Sichuan cuisine, 辣子鸡, the Chinese version of spicy popcorn chicken. As always, the dish is simple and tasty. Here's a list of ingredients which consist of meat, marinade, and spices. First step is to marinate. For the meat, chicken thighs or drumsticks are preferred, which tend to be juicier than chicken breasts. Dice the meat into bite-sized pieces. I am disposing of the bones for easier consumption. Marinate it with cornstarch to make the meat tender. Shaoxing cooking wine to add some aroma. Soy sauce to add some saltiness. Egg to give the fried chicken a nice golden brown coating. Salt and pepper for flavoring. Half of ginger to take away the slightly gamey flavor of the meat. And a little bit oil so that the pieces won't be sticking to one another while frying. Marinate for 15 minutes. Second step is to deep fry the marinated chicken. Heat up the oil. We can test the temperature by sticking in a chopstick or putting in a piece of meat. When the bubbles start to form around the meat or the tip of the chopstick, it is time to toss in our marinated meat. Fry it for about 3 minutes until the meat is slightly browned. Drain the oil and take them out. The meat now have a slightly seared coating. To make the meat even crispier, we'll need to refry them in the heated oil once more for about a minute or so. As you can see, a very nice crust has formed around the meat, making it crunchy on the outside and juicy in the inside. Now moving on to the third step, stir fry. I have already chopped ginger, garlic, green onion, chili pepper into smaller pieces so that the flavor of the spices can be better stimulated. We're also using Sichuan peppers, which is a key ingredient in Sichuan cuisine. Those small peppercorns are not as hot as chili peppers, but it will bring a tingling numbing sensation to your mouth. Heat some oil in the pan. Sizzle the chopped green onion, garlic, and the rest of the ginger. Then add in the chili pepper, Sichuan pepper. Stir fry to bring out the fragrance in different spices and blend them well. Then pour in the deep fried chicken. Stir fry them until all the flavors and ingredients are mixed well together. Before plating them, add a pinch of sugar, which adds some dimensions to the flavor, and some sesame. And our easy and delicious 辣子鸡 Chinese spicy popcorn chicken is finished. The chicken is crispy on the outside, tender and juicy in the inside, and very well spiced. You can taste different blends of spiciness from hot chili pepper, numbing Sichuan pepper, piercing black pepper, aromatic garlic and green onion with a hint of sweetness. Hope you enjoy this dish and stay tuned for more Chinese food recipes.